Which of the following would weaken the conclusion about the failure of the revolutionary vision? Where do we have this reference? We have this reference at the end of the third paragraph, where the passage mentions that because of the inheritance tax, the idea of the redistribution of wealth fails. We want to weaken this conclusion. So we need an answer choice which indicates that inheritance tax has not failed in redistribution of wealth. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, increase in average earnings of poorest families. This answer choice would indicate increasing financial health of the poorest families, but it does not necessarily suggest that inheritance tax has succeeded in redistribution of wealth. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B, the richest and the poorest families have been known to change every 2 generations. If the richest families are not remaining richest, that means the inheritance tax is working. And if the poorest families are not remaining poorest, it means that the money collected from inheritance tax is probably used for the welfare of the poorest families. So this answer choice indicates some success of inheritance tax. This is a good answer choice. So let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, some extremely wealthy families are not remaining so wealthy. First of all, this answer choice relates only to some families. So it does not necessarily indicate that the inheritance tax is working. Also, reduced wealth does not necessarily indicate that inheritance tax is working and the money collected from the tax is used for the benefit of the poor. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, the tax is levied only on those individuals that cross a certain level. The third paragraph mentions that inheritance tax often hits those just above the threshold level. So this possibility is already mentioned in the passage. Also, this answer choice does not indicate that the tax has served its purpose. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, poor families are aided by the government. Now in this answer choice, we don't know whether the government is helping the poor families from the money earned by inheritance tax. So we can't really say anything about inheritance tax or its success. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.